Today I'm going to show you how to fold a shirt in under 2 seconds. Start by taking a short sleeve shirt, laying the backside face down. Next, we need to draw an imaginary line halfway between the top and bottom of the shirt, and another one halfway between the center and the outside edge of the shirt, somewhere around here. We'll call the point where the lines cross 1, the top point 2, and the bottom point 3. Start by pinching the shirt at point 1 with your left hand. Pick up point 2 with your right hand. Then cross your right hand over your left hand and pick up point 3. Next, quickly uncross your arms, then finally, use the table to fold the shirt back on itself. This method works on any short sleeve shirt, and with a bit of practice can be done very quickly. Follow me for more helpful tips.